Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a safe, legal lab. Install Android SDK and ADB, and run an emulator or a rooted test device so you can observe behavior without risking others. Once done, learn core Java or Kotlin and app structure because you need to read code and locate entry points. Make sure to obtain only authorized test APKs or CTF challenges. This avoids legal issues and gives realistic targets for reversing and instrumentation. You now reverse and instrument the app to understand how keys or protections work. Start by unpacking the APK with a tool and inspect the manifest and resources to find reference libraries or endpoints. Then decompile with JAGs so you can follow logic, identify where keys are checked, and map methods to functions. Next, attach Frida or an exposed module on your test device to hook those methods at runtime. This shows how values flow and lets you experiment without modifying production systems. You finish by validating your findings and moving to responsible practice. Reproduce results in your controlled lab, write clear notes on steps and artifacts, and then apply skills to CTF challenges or authorized bug bounty programs to build credibility. When you're ready to disclose a real vulnerability, follow responsible disclosure channels. If something breaks, make sure to check ADB and app logs, enable verbose tracing, and reset the emulator or device. These steps usually reveal missed assumptions or environment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.